How to fix unable to log into Fortnite servers, please try again later error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application and make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If not a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, make sure you have the latest version of the Fortnite application on your device. Next, what you can simply do is make a long press on the Fortnite application available on your device. So just make a long press and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, you'll be able to see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So just tap on Clear Data and Clear Cache and tap on OK. If possible, you can just delete all data over here as well. Next, go to the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on the required options over here. That is required by the app for you to give the permissions. After that, you can just relaunch the Fortnite application and this might help you fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.